In this video, we are going to study the central problem of how to produce. This video is presented by me, Pulkit Sharma. How to produce means which technique should be used for producing goods and services. There are two techniques of production, labor-intensive technique and capital-intensive technique. In labor-intensive technique, more labor is used than capital, and in capital-intensive technique, more capital is used than labor. Cotton cloth can be produced with either hand looms or automatic looms. Production with technique of hand looms involves the use of more labor relatively to capital and therefore represents a labor-intensive technique. Production of cloth with automatic looms of the modern textile mills involves use of more capital relative to labor and hence represents a capital-intensive technique of production. An economy must decide as to which technique to be used in a given industry so that productivity is raised and cost is lowered. In countries like India, it involves the choice between labor-intensive technology and capital-intensive technology. While labor-intensive technology leads to higher employment, capital-intensive technology leads to higher efficiency, implying higher rate of growth. Hence, it is the conflict between employment on one hand and efficiency on the other.